Hey guys, Pat Tokuyama here. Today I wanted to talk about some of my favorite microphones for video or audio production. I wanted to share some of the experiences that I've had with some of the microphones as well with you if you're looking for those too. So here is the Zoom XY microphone. XYH5 is the official model name. You can use these with any Zoom recorders that have the connection there. And then this is a stereo microphone. So really, if you have a stereo recording, like from something like this, and you put headphones on and you listen to it, it almost feels like you're in the place where the recording was made. It's pretty cool. I highly recommend it if you're into audio and capturing noises to give you that immersive feeling, which is exactly why I purchased this in the first place. So some of the pros and cons. Audio is great for this device. It does have that immersive effect when you're listening with headphones especially. The microphone also comes with a sensitivity adjustment, and then these mics are actually shock mounted. It's kind of subtle, but if you push on it here, you can see that there's a little bit of give, and that's the little shock mount. Some of the cons, I guess durability of this is questionable. The rubber piece right here fell off on this side, so this is exposed. I don't know if it really affects anything, but it did fall off somehow. I think the glue must have just deteriorated since I've had this for a while. The mics are also not adjustable, so they have a different model. I think it's the XYH6, where you can actually move the orientation of the mics. You can have them both pointing forward or like they are that way. And then last, the connection here is proprietary. So if you don't have a Zoom recorder that has the mic input here, you can't use it, which is kind of a bummer. It would have been nice to be able to use these with other devices, but I guess that's what the XLR connection is for. So yeah, anyways, there's a windscreen available if you need it, as well as a dead cat, which helps to minimize any wind that could affect or compromise your audio recording. Overall impressions are favorable for the Zoom stereo mic. That's why I pretty much have this on here the whole time when I'm traveling, unless I'm in need of a backup recording device, which is what this one is for.